इंडिया में ना एजेंसीज को लोग ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं. एजेंसीज वर्ड सुन के मैंने देखे लोग कहते हैं अरे बेचने आ जाएगा कुछ तो, ये इसको तो नो, इवन दो दे ऐड वैल्यू इन अ कंज्यूमर्स लाइफ.
What's your take on creators launching their own brands?
It's very very hard to build a brand because creator can only bring distribution, trust and distribution, but that's only one of the components of
Correct.
making a brand successful. Right, पहले के 1000 orders बहुत जल्दी लेके आ सकता है,
Yeah.
but then what?
What is that creator mindset?
Creator mentality is I will come give value, I will come entertain the audience, I will make sure you have a good time, I will make sure you take something new if you're watching my content, and also every 1 out of 10 reels I will sell you something. But then the audience doesn't mind.
If somebody is just looking at starting a career in content and starting with content creation, right? Like how much can somebody earn?
2 से 3 लाख फॉलोअर्स पे है इन अ फाइनेंस, इंफोटेनमेंट, एजुकेशनल, न्यूज वाला स्पेस. दे कैन चार्ज एनीवेयर बिटवीन 70,000-80,000 अ रील अपवर्ड्स ऑफ 2 लाख रुपीस अ रील.
Welcome to the Accelerate Founder Academy podcast. My name is Karan, and today I'm super excited to be hosting a founder whose journey I've been following for the last so many years. Ayush, welcome to the podcast. Very, very excited to be hosting you and very excited to learn from you.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited, and I think we've been planning this for a long time. I'm super excited to see the questions. Very very excited to do this.
Great. So, Ayush, I think you've had such an interesting career, right? You're like all but 26. You've been a content creator, I think, for the last 13 years, right? Which is amazing. You've been a YouTuber. You were a freelancer. Then you obviously started Owl Media, which, according to me, is one of India's best and fastest growing media companies, right? You've been an angel investor. You are an educator, right? And I feel जो तुम्हारा career trajectory है, right? It's been at the intersection of content, technology, marketing, advertising, right? So आज का जो podcast है उसका goal भी यही है. Like we would want to learn from you. How can a young person today start up in the content space? Agar, like if there's an 18, 19-year-old younger version of you, who wants to, let's say, start an agency or build a large brand or become a content creator, right? How can they do that? Like, what are some of the steps they can follow? Like, what have been learning from your journey that they can learn? So, like, that's the idea of today's podcast. So, very excited to learn from you on that.
Amazing. Super excited to see the questions and whatever I can help in any way.
Great. So I think we'll begin, by knowing a little bit about your personal journey, right? So I think मैं हर founder से ये question पूछता हूँ on the podcast कि what inspired you to be a founder? Like what was, childhood like for you? I think Sam Altman has this very famous quote. वो बोलता है कि a person is inspired more by the first 17 years of their life rather than the last 10 years of their life. Right, so like what was childhood like for you, and like when did you have that trigger कि कुछ अपना करना है?
Oh wow, okay. Childhood was actually like great. Born to really really hardworking parents. I was born in Kurukshetra, but then we moved to Rohtak because my dad's business. He was starting a new company, and my father's has always been an entrepreneur. So up close saw a lot of stress. Up close saw him वर्किंग रियली हार्ड. जो मैं अभी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ अपनी जर्नी में कि एकदम रात भर काम हो रहा है, वेकेशन पे भी वेकेशन नहीं है, कॉल आ रहे हैं, तो जो मैं देखता वो नॉर्मल था. तो अब मैं खुद कर रहा हूँ तो वो मुझे बहुत इन अ वे इट गिव्स यू कंफर्ट ऑल्सो. द चाइल्डहुड वाज गुड. इन द अर्ली ईयर्स लग्जरीज नहीं थे बट कंफर्ट बहुत था. सो ऑलवेज हैड एक्सेस टू इंटरनेट फ्रॉम एन अर्ली एज. जब शायद दिल्ली जैसी जगह पे भी इंटरनेट एक्सेस नहीं होता, हमारा रोहतक में भी था. रूफ ओवर आवर हेड, फूड, सो हैड दैट बेसिक प्रिविलेज. इवेंचुअली सॉ सम अप्स एंड डाउन्स एज वेल इन द बिजनेस कि बहुत कम हो गया. फिर एक अच्छा भी आया तो हम फिर एक कुछ सिंगापुर चले गए. पहला जो स्टेपल डेस्टिनेशन होता है इंडियंस का, फर्स्ट फैमिली हॉलीडे. सो आई थिंक कंफर्टेबल लाइफ. There was a point, I think my dad was very clear. मेरी बहन डॉक्टर है, मैं इंजीनियर हूँ, तो काफ़ी क्लियर थे कि यार बिजनेस नहीं करना, बिजनेस में बहुत स्ट्रेस है, अप्स एंड डाउन्स है. उन्होंने बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स देखे.
Very interesting. Like my father was also a businessman and he used to say the same thing.
हाँ, वो कहते तुम मत करना यार ये. तो एक पॉइंट था जब मेरे फादर बोलते थे कि IIT कर ले, जॉब क्रैक कर ले. सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस आई स्टडीड फॉर IIT सो हार्ड एंड आई क्रैक्ड अ फ्यू IITs. मुझे दिल्ली वगैरह नहीं मिले थे, बट आई गॉट अ बंच ऑफ अदर ब्रांचेस. was because they were so adamant कि यार करना है. तो childhood was a lot of hard work. My mother was an eco gold medalist, तो वो उनको पढ़ाई में बहुत बिलीव था. तो she used to make us study like a lot. सो मैं स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत खराब था. आई वॉज नॉट एन ऑलराउंडर. आई वॉज ओनली गुड एट अकेडमिक्स. एंड ऑन दिस जर्नी मुझे कहीं पे लगा कि यार मैं कुछ फैमिली की कैन आई हेल्प, कैन आई नॉट आस्क मनी फ्रॉम देम सो दैट उनको स्ट्रेस ना हो. एंड देन आई वांटेड टू बाय सम गेम्स ऑनलाइन, आई हैड सम रैंडम एस्पिरेशंस, ड्रीम्स. सो शुरू करा मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएट करना 12-13 साल की उम्र से शुरू करा.
But like, why content? Like at that time.
बहुत वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. सो बेसिकली इमेजिन अ वेरी लाइक लीन किड, नॉट ग्रेट एट स्पोर्ट्स. वो पूरे दिन कमरे में बैठता है but is good at academics, right? And when you're good at doing things on your own, you go to the internet and then I used to search a bunch of things. मैं how to tutorials देखता रहता था कि कैसे. I was very curious. You know, so I was very curious. I used to watch a bunch of things. Then technology used to make me very curious. You know, what is happening new in technology? Not from a कि coder बनूंगा point of view, but from a AI में क्या नया हो रहा है, कीबोर्ड नए कौन से आ रहे हैं, गेमिंग में क्या नया हो रहा है, what
This
is
is like 2010, 2011.
correct, exactly right. So and this is like pre-geo. So the new age creators had not come by then, right? So I'm like, this is very fascinating. Now somebody told me कि यार, you know, all these creators, MKBHD for example was very small relatively, a creator that I really respect and adore. They make money. There's a creator called Unbox Therapy, Jonathan Morrison. You know, these were creators making a lot of videos. They're like, boss, you can make money from Google AdSense.
Yeah.
मैंने कहा Google AdSense क्या है? मैंने Google AdSense देखा, और इससे तो पैसा कमा सकते हैं. तो मैंने वीडियोस बनानी शुरू कर दी फिर.
What was the first video that you made?
So very hard to trace, but first video that gained views was, which I officially call my first video, is this video of me playing guitar. Basically, I was such an idiot on camera. Oh my god, I was trying to teach people guitar after taking one lesson.
Wow.
मेरी लाइफ में इतना ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस था, मैंने कहा कौन ही देखेगा मेरी वीडियो. एंड आई वाज द लीस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट इन अ क्लासरूम. वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे ना मुझसे किसी लड़की से बात होती थी, वहाँ जाके ना मुझसे कोई स्टेज पे बात हो रही है. आई यूज्ड टू फंबल सो मच.
In person or on camera personality.
ऑन कैमरा आई एम लाइक, यहाँ पे मुझे कोई नहीं देख रहा बॉस. एकदम 26,000 व्यूज ऑन दैट वीडियो, डू यू नो,
Insane.
एंड 1,000 डिसलाइक्स.
My God.
26 लाइक्स. सो 26-30 लोगों ने लाइक करा, 1000 डिसलाइक्स, बहुत गालियाँ पड़ी. और पता है गालियाँ क्यों पड़ी? मतलब बेसिकली व्हेन आई वाज प्लेइंग द गिटार, मैं बीच में भूल गया, एंड फॉर 10 seconds my middle finger was visible.
Oh.
So audience thought कि I am in a video showing the middle finger. It was so funny. Like I realized this much later, but
Yeah.
anyway, so that I used to make gaming gameplay videos. I used to make any tutorial like as simple as how to check your graphic card in Windows 7.
Yeah.
Like those are the videos, and they started getting views, and we started doing freelancing for other people. हमने का video editing सीख लिया तो दूसरों के लिए edit कर देते हैं,
Wow.
design कर देते हैं. We started blogging, made money made a good amount of money from blogs, niche blogging करा, बहुत कुछ करा. WordPress websites बनाई दूसरे लोगों के लिए. तो जहाँ से भी थोड़ा बहुत पैसा बन रहा था, फिर first formal freelance gig was these 6 videos that I did, 5,000 rupees each, made YouTube videos for somebody else. So चीज़ें आती गई, and that's how the journey began. Then again IIT हुआ. IIT के बाद मैंने कहा अच्छे तो नहीं मिल रहे, किसी ने बोला बिट्स है, तो बिट्स का ही पेपर दिया. तो तब बिट्स पता नहीं था इतना, मैंने कहा पता नहीं कौन सा है. मैं तो इतना मेरे दिमाग पे इतना IIT का भूत था कि मैंने कहा IIT ही है, बाकी तो नहीं है कॉलेजेस.
बाकी सबसेट भी नहीं देखा था और है क्या?
देखा भी नहीं मतलब. बट जब तो नाम का क्रैक हुआ, मैंने कहा नाम का IIT जाके ना अच्छा कॉलेज में जाऊंगा. सो somebody told me कि यार बिट्स में चले जा, वहाँ पे अटेंडेंस नहीं है.
Wow.
सो ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम ना कहीं मन तो था शुरू करने का, बट कॉलेज जाके वो थोड़ा इंटरनली तो मुझे पता था मैंने करना है, पेरेंट्स को नहीं बताया था कि हाँ मैं अपना ही कुछ करूँगा.
Interesting. But यार काफी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी. आई थिंक वन थिंग टू टेक नोट ऑफ इज दैट एवरीबडी स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम जीरो, right? So like, I mean, like, you can never become the perfect creator by just thinking about becoming a creator. You have to go out and put yourself out there.
That's true.
इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड अगर यू नो लाइक लुकिंग बैक, अगर तुम्हें अपने पेरेंट्स से कुछ ऐसे 2-3 ट्रेट्स से तुम्हें मिले हो एट अ वेरी अर्ली एज, राइट, लाइक विच काइंड ऑफ इंस्पायर्ड यू, लाइक आई थिंक यू टॉक्ड अबाउट इट, योर मॉम यू नो लाइक यूज्ड टू पुश यू वेरी हार्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडीज, योर डैड यूज्ड टू रन अ बिजनेस, लाइक तुमने वो देखा था कि अप्स एंड डाउन बिजनेस में होते हैं, कभी ऐसा भी मंथ आएगा जब लॉसेज होते हैं, कभी ऐसा भी आएगा जो बहुत अच्छा होगा. बट और क्या ऐसे 2-3 ट्रेट्स हैं ना? आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो यंग पेरेंट, राइट? लाइक आई हैव 2 toddlers. I have a son who's 3.5. I have a daughter who's 2.5. और हमारे घर में हमेशा यही कॉन्वर्सेशन चलती है कि मतलब अपने बच्चों को ऐसा क्या सिखाएं so that they can be like amazing, right? So like, what are some traits that you learned from your parents?
Firstly, congratulations, it's so nice. We have an upcoming baby in our family, so मैं बहुत ही, मुझे बहुत पसंद है बच्चे. मैंने जब इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करा था तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि बच्चे जो हैं, बोथ किड्स एंड योर टीम मेंबर्स, दे डोंट लर्न फ्रॉम व्हाट यू टेल देम,
Yeah.
but they
They learn
learn
from your
from
action,
what they
like they
see.
see.
So what I saw was grit.
Hmm.
पापा कर रहे हैं, लगे हुए हैं भाई, लॉस प्रॉफिट फर्क नहीं पड़ता, छोटा बड़ा बिजनेस फर्क नहीं पड़ता,
Yeah.
बट लगे हुए हैं. ग्रिट, परसिवियरेंस, अच्छे मूड से लगे हुए हैं, फिर भी सेम एनर्जी, सेम टाइम ऑफिस पहुंच जाते हैं.
Hmm.
फिर कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता. मतलब
Interesting.
अगर मुझे कहोगे एक शूट पे यहाँ पे कपड़ा मारना है, हाँ तो मैं मारूंगा ना भाई. मतलब वो तो
वो तो वैसे फाउंडर की लाइफ में है, कोई काम छूटा नहीं है,
कर्म
करना ही है.
कर्म कर्म होता है.
Hmm.
तो दिस वाज अनदर लर्निंग. देन बी द हार्डेस्ट वर्किंग पर्सन इन द रूम.
Hmm.
लक चमकेगा. मुझे लगता है आई बीन वेरी लकी. एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर इन फैक्ट हैज बीन सक्सेसफुल हैज बीन वेरी लकी,
Yeah.
राइट. हार्ड वर्क, स्मार्ट वर्क तो देखो एक, बट हार्ड वर्क के बिना लकी नहीं हो सकते.
Hmm.
तो आई थिंक दीज वर सम क्रिटिकल लर्निंग्स. अब बोला तो उन्होंने ये भी था मुझे कि हेल्दी खाया कर, बट खाती मम्मी मैगी थी. तो आई नेवर लर्नड अंटिल वेरी रिसेंटली. आई यूज्ड टू ईट वेरी अनहेल्दी. सो आई थिंक you learn what you see.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Amazing. I think coming to your now journey of Owled, right? So essentially, pandemic baby, as you said. But like, tell us a little bit about like what are you trying to build with Owled? What's your one big vision? Like, why do you think that it's gonna be like a very large company?
Okay, so Owl started as a video company. We would do videos for startups, production, writing, concept. Over time, we realized that we love storytelling, and storytelling has been, if you look at Instagram now, YouTube now, people are rewarding storytelling. There was a phase where बहुत ज़्यादा advertisement started with a lot of great storytelling. Then it became very functional. कि ये product ये खरीद लो हो
Yeah.
गया. But over time, storytelling is rewarded, creator marketing is growing.
Yeah.
So I want to build a storytelling company, and that's how I describe it. And how we've always thought of Owl is that eventually the services are very similar to any other company. It's the way you deliver those services where you differentiate yourself, right? Our tagline is nothing to do with our services. It's called building creative trust.
Interesting.
I feel that creativity is that one thing. I could be the best writer, but I may not be able to crack the thing for you. So you have to really trust
It's very
me.
subjective.
It's very subjective to really trust the team. But इंडिया में ना एजेंसीज को लोग ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हैं. एजेंसीज वर्ड सुन के मैंने देखे, लोग कहते हैं अरे बेचने आ जाएगा कुछ तो ये इसको तो नो. Even though they add value in a consumer's life, even if they add value in a business's life, agency as a word is becoming like because बहुत सारी agencies हैं, barrier to entry बहुत कम है.
Yeah.
So we realized that boss, I don't want to come and reinvent the services. I want to make sure I'm the person delivering those services in the best possible way.
Interesting.
And that became the driving force. The vision is storytelling. Now, how we do storytelling, हम visuals, videos में बहुत believe करते हैं. So we stay away from anything which is हम performance marketing ads run नहीं करते, पर हम बनाते हैं.
So you do creative for performance marketing.
Correct. So everything for a company's marketing budget, if I speak in dhanda sense, I will take up all of their digital budget except for running ads. So I will create a digital campaign for them. I will do influencer marketing for them. I will write copies on social. I will take care of their founders brand. I will take care of their podcast. I will take care of their ad films, performance films, any kind of video production. They have to make a vision video, design बनाना है, booth में करना है, सब कुछ design, creator led, ad films, social media, everything is taken care of by us. But it's a core strategy, creative and execution company. I will not go and buy a billboard for you, So
Tell us a couple of campaigns that you might have done.
यार, a bunch यार, मतलब not just campaigns but different types of projects. We produced a bunch of Nikhil Kamath podcast episodes.
Oh, wow.
We relaunched, we worked with Cred when they relaunched Cred Curious. We did a podcast with Sunil Chhetri and Kalpe was the founder of Nothing. We just did Misho's latest ad film. By the time this was launched, and hopefully we wouldn't have to cut it, we're doing Minimalist ka next film, which is a skincare brand.
Interesting.
We have done IPL commercial for Grow. We've done World Cup commercial for Grow. So we've done a bunch of things,
Deserve
right?
का Shark Tank वाला
Deserve
भी.
का Shark
Yeah,
Tank
I've
commercial
seen
हमने
that, वो काफी
करा.
amazing था.
Thank you so much. We've done IPL films. We just did Boat का एक IPL campaign, which is a tech-led campaign. Zepto का, if you've seen a bag, जो QR code है in the
Wow,
AR campaign है,
that was a delightful experience.
that's
Yeah.
done by us. So AR
So मतलब
campaign.
AR VR के intersection पे
We
भी you
also
guys
have a
are.
technology division. It's
Yeah.
small. We've done about 60 odd AR projects. We also are making AI tools with another company. In fact, my partner also runs a company called Altered. Both of us together are working at the intersection of AI and AR, doing a bunch of projects. Did a very interesting project with a very large company under an NDA, but deploying AI at scale to create performance creative, so on and so forth.
Interesting.
तो बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. मुझे लगता है मैं this space excites me. So my service stack might change, but a person will come to me for creative problem statements that they have within their company, which have a direct impact on their business. So could be their bottom line, could be the number of customers who are coming to their platform, business, or whatever. So this is what we're
And
doing.
from like strategy to scripting to execution of the creative, you will take care of.
We believe in end to end. Yeah, we've almost doubled every year. Since the start, and the idea is to continue on that 100% growth trajectory. More than that, I think the last 1 year has been incredible in getting really good people on board. People in agencies don't hire good folks. I've realized don't pay great salaries. Every single one of our team members, every single one of them, I can bet that if you compare that person with a similar position in another agency, they are paid more. हो सकता है कुछ basic exceptions हो, but if I compare it to the large top 10 companies, paid more, invested in a lot of like mid-senior leadership. We are working with brands like Manyavar, Axis Bank, HDFC Life. इस तरीके के clients के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. You need a senior team to talk to them.
Interesting.
So we are very, very focused on building a really good team. So that's been like that's been where we are investing a lot of our money, time, and resources.
Interesting, yeah. It's interesting that you're saying this because as we had also thought about the topic of today's podcast, it was about if a young person is looking at starting a career in content or looking at starting an agency, right? So like according to you, like in running an agency at this scale, like what have been like 2-3 of the biggest challenges that you have faced, and in retrospect that you could actually maybe tell somebody younger if they start looking at starting in this space that they can be careful about?
So broadly, to make an agency successful, we have distilled it down to 3 things. Access. Do you have access to the right brands, the right people? Do they perceive you in the right manner? Do they respect you? So first is access. Can I even open the door of a Meta and tell them ki boss, I do this.
Yeah.
Please do something with me. Second is culture. We are a very people driven business.
Interesting.
मतलब मेरे अगर most agencies में से अगर आप 2-3 लोग हटा दो, एजेंसी क्रम्बल हो जाएगी. So how do you make even the junior most person so independent, so driven? That's a big challenge because fight hai. You also have to make sure that person is creatively satisfied, which is very subjective. You also have to make sure that person is well rested. But at the same time, there are times when they'll have to sprint because creative में क्या होता है कभी-कभी Sunday को delivery होती है. So it's a very like intricate balance.
There's like work-life balance.
Correct.
तो है ही नहीं मेरे ख्याल से.
एक्चुअली है. इट्स जस्ट दैट एजेंसीज में 7 दिन बहुत मेहनत है, फिर 7 दिन अभी चिल है, प्रोजेक्ट नहीं आया कोई, सो बिकॉज प्रोजेक्ट लेड वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. बट कल्चर में इज दैट पर्सन हैविंग फन. तो इफ यू कम टू आवर ऑफिस, आई वुड रियली लाइक फॉर यू टू कम. आपको ना एक वो अलग ही वाइब दिखेगी. आपको नहीं लगेगा कि मैं कंपनी में हूँ. आप लोगों से बात करोगे. तो वी हैव वेरी कॉन्शियसली क्रिएटेड दैट एनवायरनमेंट कि यार पीपल शुड हैव फन. मस्ती नहीं होती ना, मतलब तो मज़ा नहीं आता. मतलब हर कैंपेन के बाद ये पूछना बहुत ज़रूरी है, यार मज़ा आया कि नहीं आया. एंड देन थर्ड इज L&D. Our industry changes very fast, which means how are you making sure that people in the team are learning, they are developing, they are growing, they are not thinking like what I call dinosaurs. भाई dinosaur thinking हो जाती है agencies में, फिर हो नहीं पाता. So access, culture and L&D. These 3 things are the most important. If you crack these 3, I think you're sorted.
Interesting. Yeah, I think learning and development is very interesting because like marketing is evolving so fast, right? Like I remember I had a chance to speak to Chris Cox, who's the chief product officer of Meta. Like सारी family of apps, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook वो देखते हैं, right? So he suggested that read this book called The Transformation of Media by Marshall McLuhan. Right?
Okay.
So he is a Canadian philosopher who in the 1960s predicted how marketing and media would evolve, right? He was not from a tech background. He did not understand computers. He did not understand servers. But what he did was he went through the history of time. So he said कि humans came up 6 million years ago, we started with speech. Like humans can only do three things. We would like to communicate, we are social, and we build tools. So the first tool of communication that we built was speech. Uske baad, after that 100,000 years ago, then later we kind of invented cave paintings. So chapter 1 was speech, chapter 2 was cave paintings, then we had scriptures and language. So ऐसे ही started documenting history of time से what have been chapters, right? So 1800s में chapter 10 was photography. And at that time, like people who used to paint and all say कि वो सारा उनका market खत्म हो जाएगा, या journalism will get over by photography. Then he came to 1900s and he said कि chapter 10 से chapter 36 तक पहुंच गए 1900s में. Chapter 36 was around TV, film, radio, print, advertising and newspapers, right? Then वहाँ से he started predicting what the future is going to look like. Chapter 41 was social media. Chapter 42 was
Oh.
mobile messaging. Chapter 43 was AI. Chapter 44 was AR and VR. And that's where he kind of ends the book. And he said that technology will evolve so fast that, like modes of communication, like which have taken hundreds and millions of years to kind of evolve, will kind of evolve in 1 to 2 years, right? And essentially, I think that's what is happening in your industry, in our industry as well,
Yeah.
right? Marketing is evolving so fast that whatever you looked at social media 2-3 years ago might just be very, very irrelevant.
2-3 years from now.
Yeah, 2-3 years from now. So you have to kind of invest constantly in learning and development. And this is one book that I recommend to a lot of people who are looking at starting marketing. It's a very heavy read, but it's like very, very interesting to see. And like humans are traditionally very bad at predicting the future, right? But if you can kind of look at this framework and look at like what are some technologies that are going to be big in the next few years, I think that could be like super interesting.
No, 100%. Somebody told me history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes.
Yeah.
So you can look at past patterns and you may not be able to predict exactly what's going to happen, but you can
Yeah.
predict some through those patterns कि अच्छा ठीक है इस direction में जा सकता है.
Yeah.
And then you can take bets in those directions. Of course, you can still be horribly wrong,
Correct.
but at least a more strategic bet
Correct.
that can be taken.
Correct. Amazing. I think, thank you so much, Ayush, for all of these insights. I think the next thing that I would love to discuss is, if somebody is looking at building a career in content, right? So essentially, you started as a content creator, but that's not the only career in content, right? Like you can build an agency, you can be a video editor, right? You can do social media marketing, you can actually work with a brand, right? So just from your vantage point, tell us कि अगर आज एक young person like who's looking at building a career in content, तो क्या opportunities हैं उनके लिए, how can they kind of go about it?
Many opportunities actually, right? Broadly, if you're in content, being a creator is of course the most obvious opportunity.
Yeah.
Even within being a creator, multiple different types of people, right? There are so many niches, so many different types of platforms. Each platform behaves very differently. YouTube पे जो creator जिस तरीके से grow करता है बहुत different है जैसे Instagram पे grow करता है. So that's number one. You can become a creator. It's an incredible opportunity because distribution की value आज बहुत ज़्यादा है. Distribution is one thing which is very difficult to
Yeah.
copy paste. Right? आप product copy paste कर सकते हो.
Yeah.
बट जिसके पास ऑडियंस का अटेंशन है, जिसके पास ऑडियंस का टाइम है, दैट पर्सन ऑलवेज हैव अ अपर हैंड एंड देयर इज गुड मनी टू बी मेड एज अ क्रिएटर एज वेल. इफ यू कांट बिकम अ क्रिएटर एट स्केल कि मेरे 1-2 लाख 10 लाख फॉलोअर्स हैं, even having the skills of a creator is an incredible opportunity. For example, the reason we started Lit School is to teach people how to think and behave like a creator.
Interesting.
Because these creators, even if you're not creating your own content, you could then join marketing teams of other brands, social media teams of other brands, agencies, open your own agency, which creates videos like a creator. आज UGC video की demand इतनी ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
People are looking for faces जो खुद से ही लिख के खुद से ही रिकॉर्ड करके कर लें. पहले क्या होता था कि रिकॉर्ड करने वाला इंसान अलग होता था, स्क्रिप्ट किसी और ने लिखी होती थी, डायरेक्टर कोई और होता था, शूट कोई और करता था. आज मैं ही स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा हूँ, मैं अपना फोन लगा के रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. लाइट के नाम पे मेरी खिड़की है जो अच्छी लगती है. फ्रंट कैमरास आर गेटिंग बेटर. सो दिस इज अ सेकंड करियर ऑप्शन. देन देयर आर ट्रेडिशनल एडवर्टाइजिंग करियर ऑप्शंस. You can be a copywriter. Again, these services are still very relevant. grow to become a creative director, then different roles in an agency. You become a client servicing person, you'll be, then eventually you can become a strategy person. So again, advertising roles is another category. Then brand side. Brand side is slightly different, right? Brand side marketing and content is different from an agency side content and marketing. Most of the actual campaign execution work, film का shoot हुआ, script writing हुआ, वो agency करती
एजेंसी
है.
साइड पे होगा. हाँ.
Brand side पे it's more analytical, more data led, more budget allocation, more strategic thinking, more identifying the right partners. So वो अलग एक zone हो गया. So that becomes a very interesting career opportunity. एक और भी है. अब सुन, आप कंटेंट में बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स आएंगे, जैसे पेट्रियन आया था बहुत टाइम पहले, राइट? लाइक Jack, I think is the name of the founder, if I'm not wrong. But Patreon changed the game for creators. So I feel there's a large opportunity to make companies which could be platforms, which could be tools. Look at the editing software like a CapCut that people use, right? So that could be an interesting opportunity for people to build. Then there are real estate businesses, studios.
Interesting.
Like a lot of PE funds, somebody was telling me, मुझे इतना knowledge नहीं है, so please मुझे correct कर देना, मैं factually गलत हूँ. But they were telling me कि यार they are much more interested in investing in studios.
Which provide video as a service.
Correct. Where like they wouldn't invest in a Netflix, but they would invest in a studio, like metaphorically speaking. So real estate में बहुत opportunities हैं. Creator studio where people can come record. Like this studio, right? What an amazing studio.
Yeah.
Like this is also business. You don't need to be a creator to build a business like this.
Yeah.
So these are a few options, but I'm sure there are more.
Yeah. Interesting. I would love for you to elaborate on think like a creator, right? You said that even if you're not a creator, like at Lit School, you teach people how to think like a creator. Like what is that creator mindset?
So creator mindset is of giving. A brand's social media mindset has always been taking. Okay, think of a traditional brand post. Hey, put my logo on top, make it bigger.
Correct.
Hey, X company wishes you Diwali. That tonality is so like, you just want to sell. Every post is sell. Ye bhi le lo, wo bhi le lo. Creator mentality is,
Community first.
I will come, correct. Creator mentality is, I will come give value. I will come entertain the audience. I will make sure you have a good time. I will make sure you take something new if you're watching my content. And also, every 1 out of 10 reels, I will sell you something. But then the audience doesn't mind. The audience not only is happy, they're like, हाँ यार, इस बंदे ने तो बहुत free knowledge दी है. आज meetup पे, it was a paid meetup, 55 people bought the pass.
Wow.
Right? तो क्यों आए वो लोग? क्योंकि मैंने इतना फ्री वैल्यू दिया कि उन्होंने कहा अब आयुष कुछ बेच रहा है तो मैं खरीदूंगा. So what a brand needs to realize when I say think like a creator is just give a lot more. Give a lot more entertainment. Give a lot more value. Give a lot more free resources. Then ask.
Interesting. And what are traits of common creators, that you have seen, right? Like who have done this well? Like
I think
successful creators.
Yeah, broadly, any successful creator is not attached to a particular IP or a particular type of content. I feel a great creator understands that I will have to evolve. I will have to change my content types. I will maybe have to change the place I shoot. I will have to change the way I script. I'll probably have to act a different way. They're not attached to one thing. Because content, as you said, changes so fast.
Yeah.
As a creator, if you're tied and so like married to कि मैं तो ऐसा ही करता हूँ, अभी तुम्हें देखना तो देख लो.
Yeah.
If you have that mentality, then you will, like one person I really admire, I made a reel on this as well, that Ranveer Alabadia gets a lot of hate.
Just came to my mind.
He gets so much hate, but I think he's an incredibly smart human being. The fact that he has not only cracked YouTube, Instagram, he cracked reels back in the day, still continues to be so relevant. It's incredible because he's not, like, again, this is an outside in perspective. I don't know how he actually operates, but he is not stuck to कि मैं यही करूँगा. वो fitness भी करा था, fashion भी करा था.
Correct.
उसके बाद
Dating advice भी देता था.
हाँ, dating advice भी, फिर entrepreneurs की भी interview कर लिए. फिर अभी वो ISRO के chairman के साथ somebody very senior from ISRO he interviewed.
Correct.
Wow.
Yeah.
Like that's insane.
Yeah. I think one skill set which I also feel is like very common across a lot of successful creators is ability to understand the pulse of the audience and like see where content is headed in general, right? And that's why I feel that marketing will also evolve, and where like successful marketeers will now have that creator mindset because उनको पता होगा कि like कैसे evolve हो रहे हैं मेरे customers, what do the customer want, like उनका feedback loops closer होंगे, they will be able to kind of sense that and create and deliver value accordingly. So
Yeah.
I think that's why like a creator mindset like
Super
would
important.
be is super important.
Yeah.
Interesting. And like according to you, like generally if if somebody is just looking at starting a career in content and starting with content creation, right, like how much can somebody earn?
Oh, plenty, yeah. So it depends upon niches. Let's say if you take finance or infotainment, and this number really varies, right? Because brands look at your perception, how good your visual quality is. If you have an English speaking audience, क्या आपके audience top 10 cities से हैं. तो एक क्रिएटर जो शायद 2 से 3 लाख फॉलोअर्स पे है in a finance, infotainment, educational, news wala space, they can charge anywhere between 70,000-80,000 a reel, upwards of 2 lakh rupees a reel. There are always exceptions जो बहुत ज़्यादा भी charge करते हैं, but I've seen 3-3.5 लाख वाले creators charging 2 lakhs a reel, one reel. अगर आप 3 या 4 sponsored posts भी करते हो तो आपका monthly revenue can be between 5 to 8 lakhs. Now this decreases a little in fashion. Comedy maybe it's slightly lesser. Again, niche to niche it depend करता है. As you grow, then of course income also grows. But today brands don't only look at followers, they also look at engagement. Because they're like कि हाँ ठीक है 3 लाख followers है तो क्या मेरी वीडियो पे कितने views आएंगे. So world is changing, so engagement becomes a very important metric. So basis good engagement, you'll get a good amount of money.
Interesting. And like, do creators also earn from, let's say, YouTube ads and like on those
Oh
platforms?
yeah, of course. YouTube monetization is big. Affiliate marketing is where they earn. Creator can also get paid for just showing up on events. A creator can also make money from their own ventures. Like technically speaking, if I'm selling something on my story, that's my own venture.
Yeah.
But I have the distribution. So there can be many income sources for a creator. But one thing to note here is a creator career can be short-lived. Very few creators are able to maintain a pace. बहुत बार peak आता है, then it drops.
Interesting. It's like a J curve. ऊपर आके फिर
Yeah.
नीचे आता
So नीचे हो सकता है. And more importantly, 8 lakhs is revenue. So to make good videos, a lot of people spend. They might spend on production. आपने जैसे खर्चा करा production पे, they might spend on their edit team, so on and so forth. So yeah.
Interesting. So essentially, then like once you've kind of reached your peak, kind of utilize that, but then diversify into other domains as well.
Yeah, you need to.
Interesting. And like, what's your take on creators launching their own brands, right? Like, I mean, like creator-led commerce, creator-led brands. Like, we've seen a lot of those brands now. Raj Shamani, I think, launched House of X, right? Like, inherently, तुम्हारे पास distribution है. So, like, is that something that like you've seen creators scale as well?
Yes and no, right? It's because so many brands have just failed. So I don't have a lot of experience in building a brand or I only have experience from an execution POE, but I don't have the experience of कि supply chain कैसे होती है, inventory कैसे manage होती है.
Yeah.
So I'm sure my answer can only be half baked. But from my vantage point, what I've realized is कि it's very very hard to build a brand because creator can only bring distribution.
Yeah. Yeah.
Trust and distribution, but that's only one of the components of making a brand successful, right?
Correct.
वो शायद पहले के 1000 orders बहुत जल्दी लेके आ सकता है.
Yeah.
But then what?
Yeah.
So at some point, I feel the creator needs to be disassociated from the brand. The creator needs to look at the brand as an entrepreneur and not just I am responsible for bringing the 1,000 consumers. If you look at 82 East by Deepika, right?
Yeah.
I don't think it's doing that well, right? Like as much as people thought like a brand by Deepika would work, it's not. Of course, Deepika as a celebrity is slightly different from how like a creator like you and I are. But I think it's very hard, and I don't think it's the only ingredient to success.
Interesting. I think I also agree because I feel that for a creator to build a large business, they need to have like a founder or an entrepreneur, like who's been able to run and scale a business as a co-founder, right?
Yeah.
Because I think running a business day in and day out is very very different from creating content, getting those orders, and having having that distribution.
Yeah, but I really like what a few people have done. Like Nishir, I don't know her, but Parul, I've seen her journey as an outsider.
Yeah.
I think it's amazing. Like she's using her distribution so well. She's also very active in making sure she builds the company. So she's not only just making a reel, but she's doing offline events.
Yeah.
She's very involved, at least what it looks like, within the company operations.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's very
I think like for with her, I've met her a couple of times,
Yeah.
and I think it's that skill set of a left brain plus right brain both
Yeah.
in one person, right? Which is like an which is like an explosive combo. But like very few examples like that that you'll find that where creator alone has built maybe like a large business. But I think a fantastic opportunity for somebody who's cracked distribution to then partner
Yeah.
and kind of launch their own
good
brands.
co-founder can really help, I feel.
Yeah, interesting. Thank you so much, Ayush. Thank you for sharing your insights on your journey on how like on what younger people can look at in terms of content as an opportunity. We have this interesting section where we do a rapid fire. So essentially, like you can answer with the first thing that comes to your mind, and essentially trying to know you
Oh, wow.
as a person more, right? And
Okay.
maybe like know a few things that you haven't said on other platforms, so or on other
Okay.
podcasts. So, first question: what's your Instagram screen time?
Oh wow, I don't have Instagram on my phone.
Wow.
I showed it to you as a proof, right? I don't. I only download it for a certain time. There are days when I scroll a lot, but I think average would be 25 to 30 minutes broadly.
Interesting. बहुत ही कम है for an agency founder.
मैं ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है बाहर, मुझे लगता है कि वो कहेंगे फिर ये तो एडवाइस कैसे कर रहा है. I'm very strategic in my scrolling.
Interesting. One underrated creator according to you.
Aapka Jags. Oh man, what a guy. He also worked with Owl very briefly. Amazing, amazing, very very good.
Interesting. Delhi or Bangalore for starting up?
For me, Bangalore, but I think Delhi has been an incredible place lately.
Yeah.
Bangalore because I feel a lot of great weather. I feel at peace. I have great people there. Starting up is a very lonely journey. So startup where you have some friends, people to look up to. I started up there because मुझे अच्छा लगता जाके मुझे पता था कि on my bad days I have somebody whose door
So
I can knock.
basically the community aspect.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बैंगलोर में.
Interesting.
Yeah.
5 people you message every day.
Mom, dad, I have a very close friend called Javraj, Gayatri, my girlfriend. Then I think the fifth is team, like my head of operations, Ruhi. But other owl team members, so I message like very
Interesting.
very often.
Your answers are very correlated to WhatsApp ka global trend data. So for example, WhatsApp has 2 billion users, which use the app every day. There are about 100 billion messages that go on WhatsApp globally every day. 40% of those messages are, are to your significant other. Then another 30 to 40% of those messages are to your family, very, very close friends, and, like close ties. Right,
Okay.
so I think like 4 out of 5 out of those messages
Yeah.
are to family friends, and then
Correct.
1 out of 5 is to work. Interesting. Best piece of advice you ever received?
Oh, I've said this so many times, but if you don't ask, the answer is always no. Just be very shameless and asking people help. It's just that fewer help, but just ask everyone. It's just super important. At the same time, I will add since I've come on this podcast and I have to give something different as well, I will add a layer of advice, which is when you're asking, try to offer them something as well. At the end of the day, most people, especially in the beginning of your friendship or relationship with them, will be transactional, which is not bad. If you can help somebody else, always offer help as well in whatever way you can.
Yeah. नहीं यार वेरी वेल सेड आई थिंक एक टाटा स्काई का कैंपेन आता था पूछने में क्या जाता है राइट सो essentially like somebody asked Shahrukh for something and Shahrukh invited them to dinner at their house right so essentially what I have seen is in the startup ecosystem जब बड़े से बड़ा founder like if you reach out to the people reach out to people with the right intent most likely people will reply and life is never about exchanging dollars right so if you can
Yeah.
offer value to the other person
Yeah.
that's how I think that's how you build your network and that's how like long lasting relationships are built.
That's so true. That's so true. Very well said. Absolutely.
Interesting. 3 books that have really inspired you.
मैं इतना पढ़ता नहीं books, but
You gifted me
one book I gifted you. That book I've read multiple times.
Yeah.
It's called Never Split the Difference. वो एक दो book पढ़ी मैं repeat करता रहता हूँ. But I think in my lifetime I would have read like maybe 150 books, so not a lot, right? This one I really like. I like Good to Great. That's a book that I really liked. I like reading Hooked as well. मुझे काफ़ी insight मिला था. It's just obvious things in that book, but when you read, you're like, oh, this is how they do it.
Interesting.
So these 3 books have been good.
Interesting. A time machine takes you back to 1984, 40 years ago. You have to describe the smartphone to somebody in 1984. What would you say?
Wow. Okay. I have to describe what a smartphone is.
Yeah. And what a smartphone does today to somebody in 1984.
Wow, this is very difficult. I would do what Steve Jobs did at the start of. I would borrow that. You know, he said a iPod, a browsing device, a phone, and then it spinned, right. So at that time, people were still playing games. I would tell them, ki, you play these games, you could play this in a thing which is as big as your palm,
Yeah, correct.
right? So I would explain this in a very non-jargon way. I would tell them you could call anyone at any time,
Free of cost.
free
Almost
of
free of
cost,
cost. You can
free of
message anyone free of cost.
correct. So you are you're connected with people throughout,
Yeah.
always. So that's how I would try to explain it.
A billion of us will have it.
A billion of us would have it. Internet will change our lives forever, and it'll be so cheap.
The entire history of humanity can
Yeah.
be searched through internet.
Can be searched through internet. So I think it'll be a very crazy moment for this person to hear. But I would break it down just like how Steve broke it down when he was introducing iPhone.
Interesting.
Instead of
You can order a cab in 2
You can
minutes.
order a cab in
You
2
can order groceries in 15 minutes.
Correct.
You can order food in 30 minutes.
insane.
Interesting.
So the entire world is in your fingertips.
Yeah.
Access to the world is at your fingertips. Now it's on you to decide what you do with that access.
Yeah. Interesting. Very well said.
Yeah.
Top 3 marketing series for founders and entrepreneurs.
You mean like TV series?
Yeah.
मैडमैन तो मुझे लगता है
As an agency founder,
एडवर्टाइजिंग वालों को तो देख ही लेनी चाहिए, मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगती है. I also feel more than series, I consume a lot of YouTube content, and I feel as a marketer, it's extremely important to consume content which थोड़ा ना widens your brain. देखो marketing a बहुत broad topic है, people when they write scripts, there was a very interesting saying, I don't know किसने बोली थी, मेरी तो नहीं है, वो कहते हैं कि फिल्म स्कूल जाके तुम बाकी फिल्में बनाना सीख लेते हो, कैमरा कैसे पकड़ते हैं, लाइट कैसे पकड़ते हैं, बट फिल्म्स आर नॉट अबाउट फिल्म्स. Films are about you and I. Films are about real life stories. So if you want to make great films, observe the world. तो फिल्म में स्टोरी तो दुनिया की है ना, तो मार्केटिंग में भी जो स्टोरी है वो दुनिया की है. So I feel more than series, I love just consuming information across the world. कुछ भी हो सकता है वो. That
Could be travel.
could be some science fiction thing. It could be for that matter some new innovation and technology. If you see the movies back in the day, they predicted so many things, like
Yeah.
how, like this one guy must have just read so many things, and
Correct.
so I feel I pay a lot of attention to the world around me than learning marketing. और मार्केटिंग में ही अगर अच्छा रिसोर्स बताऊँ तो एक lovetheworkmore.com करके वेबसाइट है, वहाँ पे कान के सारे पुराने कैंपेन्स होते हैं टॉप के,
Wow.
अमेजिंग. There's a website called marketingexamples.com. They update every day some marketing examples of people around the world doing different things.
Interesting.
So it's a very good glance, like it's a very good newspaper read कि फटाफट से पढ़ के कुछ नया information. So yeah, this is how I describe it.
Interesting. Last question. How do you constantly stay driven?
यार ये ना I think I've tried answering this a couple of times. My answers have changed over the last few years. पता नहीं यार है, मतलब मैं ना I thought I had cracked it, but I don't think I'm able to answer this question well. I just feel
But what's
like
your mantra? Like what works for you?
मुझे लगता है कि पता नहीं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है करना ये. I don't know what else then,
So you are very passionate about the career that you are in.
Yeah, I really like it. I love the people that I've surrounded myself with. They drive me. The fact that we are creating impact in their lives, the fact that we get to do this. मुझे तो पता नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं तो इतना लकी हूँ, इतना ग्रेटफुल हूँ, तो सॉरी इतना लकी हूँ, इतना ब्लेस्ड हूँ, तो मुझे तो बस ग्रेटफुल होना चाहिए कि भाई मतलब the fact that I'm sitting in a comfortable chair being asked questions, talking about my life, that in itself, like for a second if I take myself back, यार ये real है. यार एक टाइम था जब मैं शादी भी शूट कर रहा था, तो वो मैं कैमरा के पीछे था, तो मैं कैसे आ गया यहाँ पे, वो क्यों हुआ, तो पता नहीं, मुझे तो बस आई एम जस्ट लिविंग माई लाइफ. तो आई एम सॉरी बट आई डोंट हैव अ गुड आंसर टू दिस
No,
क्वेश्चन.
I think this is a wonderful answer, and you should always look back and be grateful on how far you've come. So very interesting. Thank you so much, Ayush, for for your time, for doing this podcast. I can't let you go, without like a feedback on the Accelerate community program. Do you think there are any areas where we can offer more value to young founders' lives? What do you think we can do better? Would love to kind of hear it from you.
No, I think your vibe is so warm. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला. I just glanced at the time and I'm like, shit, I didn't realize, and I think that's the best metric to any conversation. I'm so blessed. Like you and Jivraj, when I did a podcast with him, मुझे इतना मजा आया था, एकदम पता ही नहीं चला, गायब हो जाता है जो टाइम. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है कॉन्वर्जेशन. तो आई थिंक आपका टाइम स्पेंड करना किसी फाउंडर के साथ, आई थिंक that's going to be insane because a founder needs that empathy. A founder needs that
And that's what I say, knowledge,
somebody to
empathy,
understand.
network.
Yeah.
That's what we're trying to build as well.
And you have first-hand experience, so anyway it's great for anyone to learn from the mistakes that you have done, the things that you have done wrong which you would not do again, and if you can teach that, I think it's amazing.
Yeah, amazing. One last parting advice to any young founder, who wants to build, in the content space.
मैं वही एडवाइस देता हूँ जो मैं अपने आप को देता हूँ हर रोज़, वो ये कि मुझे बस just keep studying, like be a student if you are in marketing and content. Never try to become a teacher. Be a student because भाई जो तुम्हें पता है वो भी बहुत जल्दी irrelevant होने वाला है, जो हमने डिस्कस करा आज. Be a student if you're in content and marketing.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Ayush. Wishing
you.
Owl the best in your journey, and we wish that Owl becomes one of the best media companies in the world.
Thank you so much. So kind of you. Thanks for having me. Great coffee. Amazing studio. I'm so glad that I did this. If there's anything that I can ever do for you, please let me know. But you're so kind to have called me here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.